Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Rose. Today, I want you to learn about the sound of the letter R. The sound of our letter R is R. Our R has an uppercase and a lowercase. Okay, this is our R. When we put them together, and it looks like this. Again, uppercase and a lowercase. The sound is R. One more time. R. Okay, so I have a lot of things in here that starts with the R sound. Okay, the first one, I have rooster, rooster, red, red, rice, rice, rope, rope, ram, ram, rose apple, rose apple. Last one is rocket, rocket. Okay, so those are things that starts with the letter R. So we have to say it again one more time. Okay, rooster, red, rice, rope, ram, rose apple. The last one is rocket. Okay, so this time I want you to say it by yourself. Can you remember all those names? Let's try them. The first one is what? Can you see this? What is it? Rooster. Yes. What color is it? Can you say please the color? Red. Yes. And this one is what? Rice. Yes. This one is what? Rope. This one is? Yes. Ram. And this one is? Rose apple. And the last one is what? It's a rocket. Yes, a rocket. I have 3 capital letters in here, and I want you to identify which one is the R sound. Okay, let's review first. The first one is J, and then the second one is R, and N. Okay, so I'm going to rumble these 3 letters. Please identify which one is R. Okay, here we go. Is this R sound? No. Is this R sound? No. And how about this one? Is it R sound? Yes, it's R. Okay, so this is R sound. So again, I'm going to rumble, and then after that, you are going to point the R sound. Here we go. Please point which one is R. Is it R? No, no. Is it R? No, no. Is it R? Yes. This is R sound. This is our R sound. Okay. So this time, I have 3 letters again, but these letters are not uppercase. All of them are lowercase. Okay. So I'm going to show you. The first one is N. And then the next one is J. And then R. So we have 3 letters, and then can you identify which one is R sound? Is it R sound? Is it R? No. And how about this one? Is it R? No. And how about this one? Is it R? Yes, this is R. Okay, so one more time. And this time, I want you to point which one is R. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. So please point which one is R. Is it R? No. Is it No. Is it Yes, you're right. This one is sound. Our has an uppercase and a lowercase. Okay, so this one is That's all for today. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you again next time. Sawadee ka.